Good afternoon, students. I am Abhishek Karwaria. I have done my Bachelor of Engineering from SGS ITS Indore. I will teach you math. The particular topic of math is number system. So let's learn. Number system is the name suggests. It is a system which contains numbers. So as we know, we use in our daily life a lot of numbers. So there are groups of numbers that are known as the number system. So these are defined as natural number, whole number, positive integer, negative integer, rational number, irrational number, I'll teach you this number system one by one. So first comes natural number. What is natural number? Natural numbers are those numbers which you use for counting. As you know that when there are one thing, then we say 1. If these are 1 plus 1, these are 2. So it's simple. The numbers which we use for counting is known as the natural numbers. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to infinite. So these are the natural numbers. Now comes to the whole number. What is whole number? Is the name suggest whole number. There are when we include 0 in the set of numbers, natural number, it is known as the whole number. So now it becomes the whole number, positive integer and the negative integers. So first we come to integer. These are the part of integer. These both are the part of integers. Integers are divided into two parts. First one is the positive integer and second one is the negative integers. When we include minus of the natural number with the minus of the natural number in the set of the whole number, these are known as the positive integer. These are known as the integer. So minus infinite, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. These are the integers. These are the integers. From the 0 to right hand side known as the positive integers, and from 0 to left hand side known as the negative integers. 0 is known as neither positive nor negative. So when there comes a very tricky question. Some person ask, what is 0? Is it positive integer or negative integer? So our answer should be neither positive nor negative. It is not confirmed where we should include 0, either in positive, either in negative. It is neutral. So as I have discussed integer and positive integer and negative integer, now comes to the rational number and irrational number. So any number which can be we can write in the form of P and Q, where Q should not equals to 0, is known as the rational numbers. These are the rational numbers. Just like for example 2 by 5, 3 by 4, 7 by 9, 10 by 11. These are all rational number. You can ask me, is 1 is a rational number? Yes, 1 is a rational number. Why? There is answer. We can write 1 upon 1. So here p equals to 1 and q equals to also 1. In this way 1 is also a rational number. Students confused with this type of number normally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either they are rational number or not, but they are rational number. Why? Because we can write upon 1 with any number, 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1, 4 upon 1, 5 upon, with any number we can write. When we can write 1 upon 1 with any number, then they become rational, because what is the definition of the rational number? Either any number that can be write in the form of p upon q is rational number. Here we know that p is the denominator and q is the numerator. So in this way, p in this number you can say p equals to 6, q equals to 1. In this number p equals to 5, q equals to 1. In this number p equals to 4, q equals to 1. In this number p equals to 3, q equals to 1. So it clear? Okay. So any number that can be write in the form of p upon q is a rational number. Now comes to the irrational number. Any number which cannot write in the form of p upon q is known as the irrational number. Just like example, pi. The value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. It's approximate 3.1416 up to. In this way it is written normally, but there is not definite pattern what is the value of pi. So it is a irrational number. We cannot write pi is equal to 22 by 7. It is a approximate value of pi. In the same way, e is also a irrational number. The value of e equals to 2.7 something. So hope it is clear what is the natural number, what is whole number, what is positive number, what is negative number, what is rational number, what is irrational number. So let's do some exercise. We have completed the theory part of number system. Let's do some exercise. So let's identify. Should I wipe this? Okay. Now I'll ask you to question, because this is my pattern of my teaching. First I complete theory, then I'll give some example, then I'll ask some question to you. In this way, the whole understanding will cover. You will learn, you will apply, then you will practice. You always try to study in this way. You always first read theory, then you should do some example, then practice. This is the whole learning. If you do not do in this way, then you will not get any result. This is the whole learning. This is the learning in three process. First is theory, then applications, examples, and then practice. Practice is most important in these three steps, because that is practice makes you perfect, as you know, but perfect practice make you perfect. So let's come in the example. I'll ask you some question. Tell me what is 0. Tell me what is 0. You can ask multiple answer. Either it is natural number, is it whole number, is it positive integer, is it negative integer, it is rational number, or it is irrational number. Sorry guys, my writing is not too good, but you try to understand. Okay, so 0 is natural number. Answer: no, 0 is not a natural number, because natural numbers are those numbers which we use for counting. We normally don't use 0 for counting. How many duster are there? There is one duster. Is we say there are 0 duster? Anyone ask how many duster are there? Is their answer 0? No. So these are the natural number. Is 0 is a whole number? No. Surprised? Yes, 0 is a whole number. Because as we learn in the theory part, when we include 0 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite, then they become whole numbers. So 0 is also a whole number. Okay. Now we come to positive and negative integer. So 0 is a positive integer, either a negative integer. No. As I tell you, 0 neither positive nor negative. So we will call 0 neither positive or nor negative. Is 0 is a rational number or irrational number? Yeah, 0 is a rational number. As I said earlier, we can write 0 by 1, and there p equals to 0 and q equals to 1. In this way, 0 is a rational number and 0 is not a irrational number. Is any number can be a rational or irrational. So if a number is rational, then it cannot be irrational. If we want to satisfy the condition of irrational number, we can also do that. So this is the whole topic of number system. Hope you should clear about all the doubts of rational number. Thank you very much, students.